Hi everyone! If you're into an AI generated art or just curious about how these mind blowing visuals are made, you need to check out the MidJourney V6. It's one of the most advanced text to image generators out there right now. So, what is the MidJourney V6? It is the latest and the most powerful version of the MidJourney AI image generator. It turns your descriptive generators or descriptions into a hyper-realistic and artistic image. And compared to the older version, the V6 offers a control, sharper and detailed, and higher resolution. It also introduces a new tool like image, upscaling, remixing, and more. These are some of the key features of the Mid Journey V6. It has an accurate prompt following, enhanced the coherence, image quality, new 2048 by 2048 resolution output, text rendering support in images, and more. And then how to use the MidJourney V6. So just simple steps. Just go to midjourney.com and then create an account. Join the MidJourney Discord server and then type the settings in any server chat, then choose the V6. Generate variations, upscale, and then remix your creativity. Midjourney isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level for AI art creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.